まもなく3番線に各駅停車新木場行きが。
We have got our Starbies. We've already had Mr. Donut. Got 9 donuts left to use. And 3 full days after today. We're in Jinbocho. And that's the walls. It's like bookcases. John actually pointed it out. My mind didn't even go there. My mind just saw a pattern, but there's definitely books. Very cool. So we're going to go check out Jinbocho. First time here. Oh, first we need Eki stamp. Oh, is it over here? No, that's an AED. That's embarrassing. I'll ask.
Oh, yeah, because there's 2 lines. So there's the Mita line and the Shinjuku's line.
Okay. So...
Which one are you going to choose? Oh, there's full roller skate.
I didn't write on the day I got my Sapporo
ski skates.
Oh no.
Oh, they're both ski skates.
I didn't write the day I got my Sapporo ones. My memory's going to fade me now.
Nah.
Well, I think I'll go this one. No. Oh, they're quite big. I think they're going to need their own pages.
No.
Yeah. Like fresh flat.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you have to with these ones because they're too big. Oh, it's hard with the chain. Oh, you can see all the ink in the corner there. Get that good stuff. Alright, what way are we going? Jinbocho. Ooh.
Tells you that's the top. Oh, it is big stampo.
It is.
Make sure you press down hard.
Don't put pressure on me.
Oh no, don't move it. Oh,
Why?
that's pretty good.
Shut your mouth.
That's really good actually.
You know nothing.
Could be the best one, yeah.
No, you have to move it because sometimes it doesn't get the writing if you don't move it. Oh, it's baseball. They known for baseball here.
Yeah.
Not in Japan. I know in Japan, but I mean in Jinbocho.
Yeah.
Don't act like you know.
I don't know. You're going to go next page.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Relax, guy. Yeah, oh, they've got no paper. So
Yeah.
Why don't you ask the station master?
That's alright.
Why?
I'm happy for you to have it.
Ugh. Oh, can't see.
That's the top. Yeah. That's the top.
Yeah. I feel like the ink looks a bit drier on this one.
It does.
I don't think I might have inked it enough on the sides. Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh, I moved it too much.
That's pretty good. Roller skates.
No, isn't that?
Ski skates.
Yeah, skis. Bakery, why don't you get something? Why don't you get a curry time? I can see one there.
With the egg?
I don't know. Go look. It'll say on the front of it, I'm sure. Go get one. Maybe. Just get it. It's fine. Curry pan with egg. She's starting to rain. Yeah. There's artworks, John. I don't know. Oh, oh, there's a tanuki on the window.
Don't let go, Jack.
They've got some vintage posters in there. Oh, they got a kaiju one. A Godzilla.
Really? Oh, look at the wrestling. The Dabutas.
Yeah, so this is one of the ones that would have like the vintage posters. You just got to like flick through. Wow. They not artworks? These are artworks. Photo spot. Why don't you get yourself a really good pen or something? Oh, show her, honey. Nintendo! The lights of Nintendo! We have made our way to Yokohama. We're at the Dumbo Pizza and Beer Factory, or just Pizza Factory. Recommended by Shizuka, Japan by Food. Looked really good when I watched that episode, and I am here to try it for myself. So we are getting pizza and pasta, and we've got otoshi, just like little breadsticks this time. John is still not 100%, so he's having a killer. Of course, I am having a highball, because no one does highballs better than Japan, and they suck back home. So, fact. He just brought out some chili oil and some honey. I don't know what that's for. Is it for the pizza? Is it for the pasta? Nobody knows. And I've just ordered, my highball was delicious, and I just ordered an Asahi Super Dry extra ice cold. Apparently this is a thing. I want to try it, so I'm going to try it. John's still being boring. He's still just drinking his Coke. Oh, yeah, that's the one Shizzy had. That's definitely the one Shizzy had. Look at that. Oh, arigatou gozaimasu. Carbonara just arrived, and it looks so good. Get into it, John.
I was going to put on this plate.
Oh, we're doing that. Okay, interesting. I see what you're doing. Looks good. That was the best meal. Don't ever tell me Japan cannot do pizza. What a load of shit. Come to Dumbo Pizza Factory in Yokohama. Amazing. Thank you, Japan by Food and Shizuka. I was just thinking about it. I think that's my top 3 meals on our trip this time to Japan so far. Thoroughly enjoyed that. That was fantastic. Definitely worth the trip out to Yokohama if you come this way, or, I mean, if you're just even considering it, definitely do it. Not hard to get to. It's right near the station, and amazing staff, really friendly. Thoroughly enjoyed. We have victory. I just brought these. I had a feeling coming to Yokohama it might be less busy, and they have sold out everywhere in Tokyo for that particular colour. Oh man, I'm so happy. I didn't mind that colour or that colour, but I really wanted that colour. I finally got it. I'm so happy. Yay! Now I've just got to find the bun. Where is the bun? Where is the bun? Where is the bun? Where is the bun? Be looking at games somewhere. There he is. Ooh, Kirby. I'll be honest, I don't get Kirby. I was committed. I was committed. I was committed. Oh, I may have tapped it. I may have tapped it. Otherwise, the whole thing fell onto the glass and leaned. Yeah, whatever. Gee, I got a few Tomica cars that I don't necessarily want, but I did get the green Jimny that I wanted. Oh, John's really trying to go for this Zelda and it's sick, but geez Louise. Oh, John, what did you do? He set that up for you. I was going to recording you now. That was way harder than it should have been. How much do you reckon that cost?
Hey, so arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, hontoni arigato.
Thank you. Thank you.
He wants us to get out. Arigato. He's like, get out of my store. Show us? Show me.
Those.
Oh, hang on. Yo. That is cool. You better make it rain chips.
What am I doing?
Make it rain chips, John. Oh, that top packet looks yummy.
Yeah.
Steak flavour. So now it's going to go up, isn't it? Oh, red one's full down.
Yeah, he's teetering on the white guy.
You need the white and black one.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Seriously? That's it? That's it? Go again. Get the black one again. You need the black one to go further.
The black one down?
The black and white one.
The blue, green one up.
Oh, I see. Maybe, yeah, you got to lift them back ones. I see. Oh, no.
Oh.
Yourself. Well, now I'm committed. Now I'm committed to the snake game.
Oh, then you got one.
Oh, come on. See them like moving?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Tough. Oh, I did nothing. Nothing.
Oh, I see what's happening here. Who said you could have 2 coins? I think you need to lift the orange one. Oh. Lift the orange one. You go for one more, lift the orange one.
Think so?
Yeah. 100%. Tilt the orange one. Oh, victory. Oh.
Look at a few.
Would want to have. I mean, they're probably 40-cent chips and they've cost $20.
Yeah.
Someone's going to come and take that glory. You've got to have at least one more go. You have to. One more go. Yeah. Do the green snake. Lift him up. How do you know that you... Oh, yeah. Oh!
What I did. I reckon you're not going to get that many more.
Surely someone gets all of them. Alright, I give up. I don't know what's going on. but it's railgun, and I am addicted. Maybe I need to put 100 in. We'll see. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, spitting a coin out. She's spitting coins out. I don't know why. I don't know why. Ooh. Came into Taito, I kid you not, 600 yen. I won the biggest otter, like, so easily. But, look at this nightmare fuel right here. That's disgusting to look at. That gives me nightmares. Why would you want a Teletubby?